What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a walk around on a 1977 Charger. This one here has a 360 under the hood. We were on a test drive. It's about a 15-minute video. This video here is about to be another 15 minutes, and we're going to be walking around, pointing out any kind of flaws we can find. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. Check out maplemotors.com for financing, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. We can get started here. I'm going to run down the lower panels, check the midsection, and come back to the top. There's a lot of extra wax and some rock guard down on the bottom of this car. As you go up over the fender well, it's got a few little nicks and scratches, nothing major there. You see on the lower portion of the car here, all the rock guard. A lot of extra wax left over that got put on there from the previous owner. There's a little bubble in the side right there. Coming on down, coming up over the fender well. A few little chips on the trim here. Coming down that middle section. Lots of swirls and stuff in the middle of this door. A little hazy. Little flat spot there. A good buff job will probably get this out. Looks like somebody hand waxed this car. Coming over the top portion, you got some light scratches. Your mirror is oxidized. All the chrome on there is gonna need to be replaced. Same with your door handle. Your vinyl top back here is in great condition. Filling around the edges. I usually do this just checking for any kind of rust. Water gets trapped up under a lot of the vinyl tops, but this one feels pretty good. It does have a sunroof, it's functional. The roof actually looks pretty good itself. Coming around into the trunk, the seal is in good condition. Tons of books about this car. Carpet is all wrapped around in the trunk and glued down. You got a little bit of an area here you can look up under it, but it is solid. Look it up in your package tray, in good shape. Not bad at all. Go ahead and shut down the trunk lid, see how easily it shuts. Gotta firmly shut that one. Just stuck a magnet tag on there for the test drive. Gonna do the same thing on this side. We're gonna hit the lower portion and come back. Decent tires on this ride. Got a few bubbles back here. I don't think it's bubbles. I think that's that rock guard kind of streaking a little bit. Coming on down some more, checking the corners of the doors. In good shape. Over the fender here. Extra wax there. Coming down the midsection of the car. Looking for any chips and scratches, guys, and there's not a whole lot. More than less, there's some fading, some light surface scratches that I'm wiping off. I think that's part of the wax they left over, because all that stuff's wiping off. These edges are nice and tight, and I'm not seeing any kind of rust or feeling any kind of rust popping up. Mirror's got pitting all over it, just like the driver's side. Kind of a quick car going over. It may not be quite 15 minutes, more like 10 on this one. There's It's very clean. It looks pretty good. The front bumper's in good shape, as well as the grill and the headlights. Y'all got a nice look to them. Insulation's still up under the hood. We do have power steering and power brakes. All right, let's go ahead and check this interior out. That's another thing that was kind of impressive. Look at this interior. It's in great shape. It's not tore up at all. The carpet's in good shape as well. I got my gear back here, but the whole entire back seat is in great shape. The package tray looks good. Your headliner, look at it. You ever seen that guy? Did you just look at it? He gonna get me. You can't say that. A little bit of dye coming off, I guess, there. Just from wear. Weather stripping's in good shape. Looking at the bottom of the door, solid. Go ahead, place your bets. You think the horn works on this one? And it smells pretty good in here. It's not bad at all. The dash is in good shape. Go ahead and start her up. Starts up easy. Idle's a bit high. I noticed that during the test drive. The radio does work. Wipers, they do work. They're gonna hit the hood, I believe, but they do work. They're right here, they work. AC, I couldn't get it to actually cut the compressor on. Could be something minor there. Horn, works. All of our gauges are coming up too. So you got your alternator, your oil pressure, your engine temp, the gas. Showing 51,000 miles on the dash. Hard to stand behind because of the year, but you know, I believe it probably is actually 51,000 miles. Got a good sound to it. Pretty stock motor. I'm gonna go ahead and give you some undercarriage shots. We're gonna look all the way around. Check out maplemotors.com to see detailed photos of the undercarriage. Hood comes down and shuts nice and easy. Lines up good. All right, let's look up under this one. We're gonna check out the front, go all the way around. Go on over to maplemotors.com, check out close to 100 detailed photos. We have financing options, we have shipping options, and all of our inventory is located on that site. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I post videos like this every day. And definitely check out that test drive. I'll pin it up for the last 30 seconds of this video. We're gonna get back started on the test drive video and make sure we get all this done before we leave work today. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.